In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 pizza ovens available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pizza ovens. The 5th product on our list is the Ooni Karu 12. The traditional charm of a properly fired pizza cannot be understated, and with the Ooni, you'll have several ways to get that great taste at home. With its multi-fuel burner, you can create all kinds of pizza from authentic Neapolitan style to perfectly roasted meat, fish, and vegetables. Just fire it up with wood, charcoal, or utilize its efficient gas converter. Wherever your culinary adventure takes you, this unit can make it easier. Whether it is fueled by real wood or charcoal, you can cook authentic stone-baked pizza in any outdoor space in just 60 seconds. Ooni Karu's custom-designed fuel tray maximizes airflow and delivers a powerful blast of searing flame with no excess ash to clean. The Ooni Karu 12 is all about creating intense flames and optimal heat retention with ease and speed. With it, you'll be ready to start cooking in 15 minutes, as it will quickly heat up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit and be ready to use. Moreover, this unit is made from high-grade stainless steel. The Ooni Karu's body is packed with ceramic fiber insulation, an extra-thick stone baking board, and flame keeper technology for maximum heat retention. Furthermore, if you like the idea of making fresh pizza for your friends, this oven is fully portable, so you can even bring it on a group camping trip. This is all thanks to it weighing just 26 pounds, not much more than a case of beer, and having a sturdy steel construction. What's more, with its foldable metal legs, in addition to a conveniently removable chimney and an included 100% waterproof Ooni Karu carry cover, you can bring your pizza oven anywhere with ease. Finally, Ooni also provides the option for a high-quality, lightweight 12-inch perforated pizza peel for sliding, turning, and retrieving pizzas from your oven with ease, as well as a traditional wooden paddle for launching them into the correct part of the oven during cooking. All in all, this is a very neat and well-thought-out product. Its pros are: it has a convenient multi-fuel operation, it heats up rapidly, and it is very portable. However, its gas converter, travel bag, and paddles are optional extras. The Ooni Karu 12 is an easy-to-use product perfect for any pizza lover wanting a quick way to a more traditional style. Up next in 4th place is the Bertello. Usually, when you're looking for a hybrid pizza oven capable of cooking with 2 fuel types simultaneously, you would have to make it an expensive and permanent part of your outdoor kitchen. This is not so with the portable Bertello outdoor pizza oven. This unit is lightweight and highly portable, allowing you to take it with you to virtually any outdoor setting. Straight from the box, you can cook with wood and charcoal. This is brilliant because the charcoal can provide a longer-lasting heat source, while the wood smoke adds to the flavor of your pizza. But what's better is, like our last product, the Bertello pizza oven also has an optional propane gas burner. This means that you can cook a wide variety of foods in addition to pizza, including meat, fish, vegetables, and baked desserts. All this makes the Bertello pizza oven entertaining and addictive to use. Used correctly, it provides outstanding tasty charcoal cooked, gas cooked, or wood fire result. With this product, you can achieve restaurant quality results in your own backyard. Moreover, being able to cook at temperatures of over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much hotter than your standard in-house oven, means you can get a perfect crust every time. The biggest draw of this product is its versatility in fuel. You need to maintain a high temperature for as long as you're cooking pizzas. This is not too hard if you're just making a couple of pizzas, but suppose you have friends coming over and need to make more than a few. You don't want to spend all your time managing the temperature and adding wood or charcoal as needed. Your time is better spent hanging out with friends and family instead of worrying about the pizza oven's temperature. Thankfully, Bertello solves this problem by being the only portable pizza oven on the market for a reasonable price, where you are able to cook with both wood and propane at the same time. This means you can cook with the convenience of propane gas and still get the flavor of wood smoke in your pizza, which is a huge bonus. Its pros are: it's very portable, it's straightforward to use, and it can cook with 2 types of fuel at once. However, it can be quite tricky to clean the ash when using solid fuel sources. The Bertello is a brilliantly designed pizza oven that can save you time and effort without sacrificing taste. Still haven't found a pizza oven that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Camp Chef Italia. Cooking an authentic artisan pizza is no small task. Normally, this is done using wood-burning brick ovens that run at very high temperatures to give the food a unique flavor. But if you're not looking to waste thousands on a bespoke wood-burning oven and instead are looking for a more affordable, more portable option for your backyard, then this may be just the product for you. With the Camp Chef Italia, you get everything you require to start cooking a delicious meal. This unit is essentially a stainless steel box oven body with a front panel and a propane regulator connected to a standard propane tank via a 5-foot hose. Moreover, included is a handbook to help with both assembly and operation. This pizza oven is designed to replicate traditional wood-fired brick ovens. It has a somewhat comparable dome shape to conventional ovens and makes use of a double-layered ceiling to enhance the heating dynamics. This gives the Camp Chef pizza oven a pretty similar cooking style to traditional ovens and is probably one of the closest experience you'll get whilst cooking with gas. Speaking of which, beneath the hood, the Camp Chef boasts a 17,000 BTU burner that has been specifically designed for this pizza oven. Additionally, there are heat plates to help ensure even cooking and consistently high temperatures. This is important, as for that authentic artisan-style pizza, you really need very high temperatures. This unit can comfortably reach oven temperatures of over 700 degrees Fahrenheit and stone temperatures of 650 degrees Fahrenheit. These kinds of temperatures are more than enough to allow the cooking of high-quality pizzas. Furthermore, it can reach this heat level exceptionally quickly. This product can reach its cooking temperature in as little as 15 minutes. So you can get on with making food for the whole family. Lastly, the entire product is straightforward to use. From the moment you unpack it from the box to eating your first pizza, there is minimal difficulty in the process. Setup and assembly is simple, and the whole system is easy to control, giving you fantastic pizza. Its pros are: it's a very well-made, portable product. It heats rapidly to cooking temperatures. And it is very easy to set up and operate. However, it gets hot enough for cooking, especially for the size, but not over 700 degrees without a door. The Camp Chef Italia is a very compact product that performs well. It's suited to the casual pizza maker looking for an affordable oven alternative. The second product on our list is the Gozney Roccbox. If you're looking for something to use at large events or even commercially, this unit can cook up to 30 pizzas in an hour. The Roccbox outdoor pizza oven is an impressive 45 pounds of smooth steel, silicone, and stone that can heat up to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Not only does it reach these high temperatures, but it retains that heat as well, allowing you to bake pizza after pizza at less than 2 minutes a pie. What's more, it has a multitude of features that make it particularly easy to set up as a propane oven. First off, the oven stone baking surface is secured on the oven floor. This means there's no need to remove a charred, loose stone or worry about it slipping out of the oven and breaking. Secondly, it comes with a traditional styled padded handle so you can feel like a true chef as you rotate and handle the pizza. And thirdly, the wood and gas attachments don't require complicated assembly. Moreover, once you hook up your chosen fuel attachment, simply unfold the Roccbox's jointed stainless steel legs and you're ready to go. This unit's body is made from a dense, insulating calcium silicate, covered by a thin, soft silicone jacket that's incredibly heat resistant. As the flame rises from the back of the oven, it flows over the top of the pizza, heating the oven's body and its floor while cooking your food to perfection. Additionally, where the Roccbox really shines is in its recovery time. With smaller ovens, you usually have to wait for 10 or 15 minutes between pizzas to let the stone heat up again. Otherwise, you won't get the proper oven-baked char on the bottom and it'll get stuck. But with the Roccbox's heavy steel layers and insulating jacket, all that heat is kept in for an extended period, so there's less time needed to get back up to working temperature. Its pros are: it reaches high temperatures easily, it is uncomplicated to set up for operation, and its design retains heat exceptionally well. However, it is larger and heavier than others on the list, making it less portable. The Gozney Roccbox is a highly capable unit that's perfect for anyone looking to cater to a large number of people. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top pizza oven is the Onlyfire Mimiuo. With a pizza oven, you can cook customized gourmet pizzas for your family and friends without a lot of effort. As one of the latest models from Mimiuo, this unit is portable enough to use for your camping trips and other outdoor activities. It employs a gas system to deliver clean cooking that's safer and as effortless to control as an ordinary indoor oven. With this product, you can serve some of the best and most satisfying dishes outside in your garden or on a trip. Moreover, this oven will heat up very fast. In about 15 minutes, you can set your pizza in the oven and begin the cooking process. Unlike some other products on this list, the Mimiuo can reach 932 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that it will be ideal for making traditional Italian-style pizza very quickly. With this intense heat, you're sure to be able to create as many pizzas in as many styles as you need in just a minute or two. So you'll have more time to enjoy yourself with your family and friends, instead of spending all the time baking. Additionally, this unit comes with a stone ready to use in baking. This cordierite stone is beneficial because it can reach about 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That way, your oven will retain the maximum amount of heat within, helping you cook multiple meals without needing to refuel. Furthermore, the creative rotating system featured in this product allows the pizza stone to turn automatically during the baking so that the pizza is heated more evenly. This eliminates the tiresome work of manually turning the pizza during baking and prevents the accidental burning of your pizza. What's more, you can be sure that this unit will last, as it's made from durable stainless steel that won't rust in the damp or deform from the extreme heat. Finally, this pizza oven is truly designed for the outdoors and to be taken anywhere. You can fold it quickly down to a more compact travel size and then assemble it again with ease once you reach your destination. Overall, this is a very well-rounded product for any pizza connoisseur. Its pros are: it is very simple and safe to operate. It can reach incredibly high temperatures for fast cooking. And it can be packed down to a convenient travel size. However, it can only be used with gas, so there's no way to get that wood smoke flavor. The Onlyfire Mimiuo is a practical all-rounder. It's recommended for people wanting a simple way to make great-tasting homemade pizzas. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.